Now, if you want to make money like this with only using ChatGPT, you should follow this video. There's going to be useful information and there's going to be step-by-step method on how you can make success, okay? On how you can make money. So just hit that subscribe and follow the steps. So firstly, I'm going to introduce you to ChatGPT. You know all the fuss about these recent days about this one. I mean, this is a good thing. It can do anything for you, okay? It can code, it can write you articles, and in short, it's a based natural language processing tool developed by this company OpenAI that allows users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. You can ask anything, okay? It's just like a person. I mean, it's a bit scary if you ask me, but we want to make money with this, and this allows us to get the money with it. We just have to use the power of it. Now, this thing can write yourself some YouTube descriptions and scripts. It can write content, different content articles. It can generate AI art. It can code as well. I mean, that's amazing, and it can help you, I don't know, maybe decorate your home and much more. But of course, the most important thing for us is that we can make money with this. So you can just go over to Google and you can just type in ChatGPT. Then just click on this, openai.com, and then it can write you whatever you want, okay? So you can see that it writes really good, and it can write like really professionally written articles. Of course, you can just take those articles and you can sell them online. You can just do whatever you want with them. Whatever you put, it is writing the script, okay? Is it writing right now, okay? As we speak, it is writing certain script, and you don't have to do nothing at all, okay? You just ask them a question, and of course, then you make money with it. Now, this is of course going to work anywhere in the world because it works anywhere. Your location doesn't matter because anybody can make money with this if you just apply yourself. So let me just show you now how you can make money with this with just using the article writing section of ChatGPT, okay? So it's going to write articles for you, and then you can go and sell them on different places. The first thing that we have to do is we have to go and we have to find the niche, and we have to find the niche's keywords, okay? And the tool for that is H Super Tools. So you can just go over to Google search bar and you can just type in H Super Tools. Then just click on this one, free SEO and digital marketing tools. H Super Tools is a pretty old website and it helps you with anything, okay? You can just research the keywords, you can research the categories, and what you want to find something which is not so exploited, okay? We want to find the keyword which is going to get us a lot of attention, a lot of traffic, but we need to find the exact one, because when you find the certain keyword, guys, you can explode, okay? If you just hit one, your articles can explode and you can get a lot of money based on that traffic. Now, what you want to do, first of all, click on keyword research tool. Then you can just type in here whatever you want. I'm going to type in affiliate marketing for this strategy. Complete this CAPTCHA and then just click on search and then just get the results, okay? Related keywords search data. Now in here, you can see that you've got a lot of these. You have affiliate marketing, you have affiliate marketing Amazon, affiliate marketing definition, and you can see the monthly volume is here. And you also have paid competition, and you also have CPC information. So what do you want to do? You want to find something which has a lot of monthly volume, but it doesn't have a lot of this paid competition. So you can see down there, these are good. So this affiliate marketing Amazon, meaning and definition, these are all good. So what do you want to do now? You want to go and you want to copy this section, and then just you want to make article about this one using ChatGPT. Of course, you want to make yourself an account on ChatGPT, and then just click on try ChatGPT, and then in here you just want to write provide blog topic ideas, okay? You want to find certain topics, so you can just type provide blog topics titles for that keyword that you have found. So provide blog topic titles for affiliate marketing Amazon. Click on this button, and then it's going to write you a lot of these titles. So you can see as the time goes, it gives you 5 potential blog topic titles, and you can use these titles. You can get them. You can just make money around these titles, which you've got for free on ChatGPT. Now with ChatGPT, you just gotta be more punctual, okay? You now just have to give him the second task in order for it to write it for you. So what you can do, you can just write in provide the blog outline of this title, and now you can just choose one of these. So you can choose, for example, this one. You can just copy now this one which we gave you, and you can just light that in here, and then you can just click on this, and then it's gonna write the blog outline of this title. So 10 10 tips for successful Amazon affiliate marketing. So you can see this is the blog outline. It's going to give you 10 tips, and it's going to give you the short version of that blog topic. So it's just good. It's just good. It is free, and it writes like super fast. It is so good. And of course, we can make money with this for free. Now what you want to do is you want to copy this. You want to copy this first section. Okay, this is the first outline. You want to copy this, and you want to write a section about this one. So you can just write provide the blog section of this outline. So you can just write it like that, and then just paste that in here. Just click enter, and you're gonna get the whole blog section. You can see it is pretty fast. And now, based on this outline, it is writing the blog section, which is gonna be long, okay? And it's gonna be professionally written. It's getting the knowledge from the internet itself, and it's smart itself. So it's gonna write certain blog sections, and then you go one by one, and you just copy this when it's done, and you make section. You make the whole blog about it. So you can see you've got the first one, and you can just now do it for all of these, and you get a long blog post about 10 sections, and it's going to be really good. So what you want to do is you want to copy this now. Make a new Google Doc. Just go to Docs, create a blank document, and then just paste that in here until you have a whole blog written for you without any money invested and without any work at all. If you like this strategy, and if you want to make money online constantly, just hit that subscribe, and I'm going to give you a lot more videos. Now what we want to do with that article, we want to go on medium.com. Medium.com is a place for blog posts and for different articles, and this is easy to get started with. You can just make yourself an account, and then you're going to go and you're going to write the article in here. So you can just create an account. Now you can see it in here. Click on the right section in here, and then you can just post your blog in here. Just paste that blog. Of course, you would also go and you would just use this, okay? You would need to go and you would need to write the articles for this one using ChatGPT, and you can just go and you can just repeat the process for this one. So you just write provide the blog section of this outline. Then you go back and then you copy this second tip, okay? So this is the second section of that blog. Then you paste that in here, and then you get the second section, and of course you do that for all of those. You do that for all of these out there, and you will just get the full article. Of course, whenever a certain section is done, when it is written by ChatGPT, you just have to go and copy all of this, okay? While it is writing, you just wait, but when it's done, you just copy the whole article, the whole section, because you need to make the whole article. So you just take this, you just copy this, and then you paste that in here. So, and you do that until you have all of these. Go and just make blog sections about all of these titles, about all of these outlines. Then you just paste that in here, and then you add your affiliate marketing. You can add your links from anywhere. I suggest using Digistore 24 because it's a pretty good platform, and you can find a lot of products in there. Now what you want to do is you want to go over to Marketplace and choose the product which you want to affiliate for. And whenever someone clicks on the affiliate link on medium.com, you will get a commission, okay? So for example, for this product, you can get $21 in commissions. So this can be a really profitable strategy, guys. You just have to take some action. You have to repeat these steps, and the money is going to be yours. Take the action, and I'll catch you.